Good morning, everyone. So this is me, Kaldeepak, standing in front of you today with full of energetic. Well, this is going to be another one video. Well, today in spoken class. Well, first of all, I'd like to remind you all this one is your spoken class where we learn how to speak in English because this is the easiest way by which any little ones can speak fluently in English. So let's discuss. Well, in our previous classes, we have already discussed about this one and this one. This two topic has been done. Well, and now here I mentioned many different auto roles. This one is called auto roles according to some peoples. But I want to say that this is the good rules by which our little ones can, anyone student can frame a thousands, many more sentences. So, so let's discuss about this one. So this one is the use of can. Mostly students know where we use of can and could. This is the another one is the past form of can, and the next one is should, and the another one is should too. There is the first one and second one. So such kinds of things we are going to discuss in this video, but it may be some are rest. So after that we are going to be discussed in another video. So after that I'm going to upload another one video on the basis of assembly related things because I want to implement in assembly because when the students of class 4th A student going on the assembly, so at that time they made a some time mistake. So I want to remove their such kinds of mistake from their inner soul because when they are going to hold the mic in their hands on that time they must be speak confidently. So student, very soon you're going to get some another one video that is related to that will be related to assembly related. And now here after that we are going to discuss in grammars because these are not only points topics. These are most important chapters of the grammars. So after very soon we are going to be I'm going to be discuss these all the points very soon. Thank you for joining for the Sunrise Public School. So now come to the point. So here I'm going to be talk about this one. If there anyone of you doubt about use of let's, so you can drop your issue in comment box. I will resolve it. And another one is use of let's. I have already upload some video on use of let's. So now here I'm going to talk about another one that is use of can. So let's check out. Well, this is first of all, I have to erase it. Okay. Okay, so student, now first thing is over here I'm going to discuss this one where we use of can. Cans. First of all, I want to tell you when we are going to use of can in any sentences, in any Hindi sentences. Suppose that if we are going to find the word of sakta hai, sakti hai, sakte hai. Well, this is the easiest way. Well, this is not follow all the times because it comes according to the models word. When we are going to talk about ability or power of anyone, as like I can teach. So there's a matter of if it is my ability, after that I can use of can. So so in the Hindi sentence we are going to find the word of sakta hai, sakti hai, sakte hai. If another one sakta hu, maybe sure sakta hu. So so I hope it is clear now. So let's check out any one example. Suppose that if I speak out any one example, so but I'm going to find the Hindi word of sakta hai, sakti hai, sakte hain. So in such kinds of sentences, we definitely going to use of can. As like मैं yeah, I'm sorry for writing skill because it may be some issue with your with my writing skill. So मैं लिख सकता हूँ. Now here I mention a sentence of Hindi. So first of all, you if you going to get any one of English sentences, so first of all, what is your responsibility? First of all, you must be check out in the end of Hindi sentence. Well, here सकता हूँ. It means I'm going to use of can because I just told you where we where we are where where we are going to use of can. In any sentences we are going to find the word of सकता है, सकती है, सकते हैं. So definitely we are going to use of can in this such kinds of sentences. So now like let's check out how we are going to frame it. First of all, you just find out the subject because this is the subject of this sentence. So first of all, मैं, it means I I means मैं. I, after that you are going to be initiate. Most of the cases, I would like to remind you all, my dear student, most of the cases when you are going to get anyone in these sentences, so how you are going to frame? First of all, you just find out the sentence of subject of the sentence. After that, you just start from here in the end of sentence. Here you are going to find the word sakta hai. It means here I am going to mention can. And after that the rest word is likhna. So everybody know, right? Right means likhna. So this one is completed. You know what is the use of benefit of can? Because if you're going to be if you're going to be frame thousands of sentences just by using the can, as like if I take example, I can fly, sorry, in Hindi, I'm sorry, here there's some also issue of some of students, and so they are not able to understand what I'm going to teach in my this video. Suppose that मैं गा सकता हूँ, मैं लिख सकता हूँ, मैं दौड़ सकता हूँ, वह घर जा सकती है. Such kinds of sentences you can include in this type of model verb. Well, this one is sorry, it is model verb. So here I come to the another one. But what about in case of negative sentence? Because according to the grammar rules, when we are going to find any one sentences in case of negative, so on that time we are going to use of can, not. But my dear friend, according to the grammarian, this is the not proper way of write cannot. Whenever you're going to write down, note down can, so after that you are going to note down cannot by this way. This is the correct. This is the proper way by which you can, if you're going to get anyone. Let's take an example. Why we don't take an example? Let's here. Suppose that uh, I'm sorry for wasting your time. I just came to the this way. Well, I'm learning how to write with both hands. That's why. Here, you know, this one is the negative sentences because here we find the word Hindi word of nai. So when we are going to they, it is the subject of the sentence they. After that, what are you going to write? Not can, because I just told you in this video. First of all, you have to be mentioned this one. After that, you always start from here and you come to the here in this way, but not in this sentence come anyone negative. Sorry, objective case. Otherwise, you're not going to follow this. They can. After that, go. But here negative sentence, so you're not going to be use of this one, not. After that you can verb to Okay, so this is very easy. Well, my dear students, I have already discussed in your previous classes when your class is going on. So on that time, I have discussed. So if there are any doubts, so you can uh, you can contact on my personal number. So otherwise, if there are no any doubts, it is good. Okay, so here I'm going to give the homework for you all. Well, my dear friend, yesterday I also give homework. By using of late, you're going to frame 20 sentences and don't forget to mention in your notebook. English or grammar, doesn't matter. But you are going to anyhow, you are going to note in your English notebook or grammar's notebook. And by using of let's, you are also going to frame 20 sentences. And all the sentences, there should be not only a single word. So I mean not repeat the verb or single word. All the time you're going to use different kinds of word. You can also take from your English textbook because I have when I was teaching in English notebooks on that time I mentioned many more vocabulary. So you can just take the help of from over there. So here I'm going to homework for winter vacation for all the students. You're going to frame 20 sentences. You're going to translate 20 sentences by using of can. It is clear now, everyone. And especially, I would like to share my opinion. Mr. Rudra Pratap Gupta, he is not good fluency in English. So you must have to do your work regularly. You have to be finished in one chapter of your English notebook. And those all as like Aryan Chauhan is also not capable to read in fluency in English. So my dear student, now here end of this topic, I would like to talk about if there anyone of you doubt, so you can. So once again, I would like to remind you in homework, every student going to be frame 20 sentences by using can. Okay, so I think it is clear now. So very soon I'm going to talk about this one. So thank you for watching this video and thank you all for your comment, views, and share. And thank you very much. And I hope you are doing well. And take care yourself and your family members. Bye bye, friends. And thank you. Bye bye. Thank you.